Good morning students. Today in this lecture we will see the problem based on histogram equalization. Histogram equalization is an important topic from exam point of view, and most of the time a problem is asked on this topic. Okay, so let us see a problem. Perform histogram equalization on the following 8 by 8 image. The gray label distributions of the pixels is given below. Okay, these are the gray label and these are the corresponding number of pixels. It means this is, since this is an 8 by 8 image, this image is 8 by 8 image. So what do you understand by 8 by 8 image? 8 by in 8 by 8 image, the maximum number of gray label will be how much? 8 by 8 image, it means 8 bit per pixel. सो मैक्सिमम नंबर जो हमारे ग्रे लेवल यहाँ पर होंगे वो हमारे 8 होंगे, और जिनका जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन होगा वो 0 से होगा. इट मीन 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ओके, 8 बाई 8 में मीन्स मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ग्रे लेवल आर 8, और जो मैक्सिमम ग्रे लेवल की वैल्यू होगी वो होगी आपकी 7. टोटल नंबर ऑफ ग्रे लेवल कितने हुए हमारे 8 पे. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन? The gray label and corresponding number of pixels. It means 8 pixels are there with gray label 0, and 10 pixels are there with gray label 1, and again 10 pixels are there with gray label 2, and 2 pixels are there with gray label 3, and 12 pixels are there with gray label 4, and 16 pixels are there with gray label 5, and 4 pixels are there with gray label 6, and 2 pixels are there with gray label 7. Okay, so this data is given number of gray label and number of pixels at a particular gray label. So at first we draw the histogram. Histogram means graphical representation of the image in term of number of gray label and the in term of number of pixels and the gray label. So when we represent it in graph, so these along x-axis we take the gray label 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and along the y-axis we take the number of pixels given in the question. For example, at gray label 0 there are 8 pixels, gray label there are 8 pixels at gray label 0, at gray label 1 there are 10 pixels, at gray label 2 there again are 10 pixels, gray label 3 there are 2 pixel, and at gray label 4 there are 12 pixel, and at gray level 5 there are 16 pixel, and at gray levels and gray level 6 how much? 4 pixels have the gray level 6 and 2 pixels have the gray level 7. It means the data which is given us in the question. So to represent the histogram, what we do we simply take the gray label along the x-axis and number of pixels along the y-axis and draw the graph. But now the question is that how to perform the histogram equalization. We have to perform the equalization of this histogram. So at first we make the histogram from the given data, and after that equalize that particular histogram. So what is the process for histogram equalization? What we do, this is the table or pixel. What we do here, this is here we write the gray label. This is gray label 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is gray label 7. So in first column we mention the gray label, and in second column we mention the number of pixel small nk at each gray label. Okay, gray label 0 contain 8 pixels, 1 10 2 10. In the same way we write the given data in the form of column. Now from here we have to start to solve the question. So we take a third column, we make a third column p of rk. What it represent? Here we have to calculate the probability at each gray label. Rk means rk here represent the kth gray label. Okay, R0, R1, R2, R3. This is R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Okay, so how we compute the probability? To compute the probability, we use the formula nk divided by capital N. Nk divided by capital N, where nk represent the number of pixel at kth gray label. it means if this gray label is 0, so nk will be 8. If this gray label is 1, then nk will be 10. If this gray label is 2, then value of nk will be 10. If this gray label is 3, then value of nk will be 2. Okay, so small nk represent the number of pixels at kth gray label, and capital N, what do you mean, what do you understand by capital N? Capital N here represent the total number of pixels. Okay, so what we do, we simply sum up all the pixels values. So when we sum all the pixels, then we will get 64. Okay, it means there are 64 pixels in दिस इमेज. वैसे भी 8x8 की इमेज है तो हमारे 64 पिक्सल्स इसमें बनेंगे. 8 रो होगी, 1 कॉलम होगा तो 64 पिक्सल्स हमारे बनेंगे. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पिक्सल्स 64. ओके, सो हम we calculate the probability at each gray label. So small nk upon n. ओके, तो स्मॉल n के इस केस के लिए हमारा क्या है 8. सो 8 डिवाइड बाई 64, देन वी विल गेट 0.125. फॉर दिस 10 divided by 64, then we will get 0.156. For this 10 divided by 64, 0.156. For gray label 3, 2 divided by 64, then we will get 0.0312. For gray label 4, 12 divided by 64, we will get 0.1875. For this 16 divide 64, 0.25. For this 4 divide 64, 0.0625. For this 2 divide 64, 0.03125. Okay, so in this column we compute the probability at each gray label using the formula nk upon capital N, where nk represent the number of gray label at a particular number of pixels at a particular gray label, and capital N is the total number of pixels. Okay, now in the next column we compute the sum. How we compute the sum? How we compute the sum? For gray label 0, this is the gray label 0. For gray label 0, we just write this value in the sum. Okay, next for gray label 1, what we do, we simply add this value at the previous probability value to the probability value at that particular label. Again I am repeating, if I have to calculate the sum at gray label 1, then it will be the 0.156 plus 0.125. So 0.125 plus 0.156, it will be 0.28125. Again next come to the next gray label 2. Again next gray label 2, 0.156 plus this 0.2815. So 0.2815 plus 0.156, that will be 0.4375. Okay, so we will write it here 0.4375. Now at this gray label, 0.4375 plus 0.0312, then we will get 0.46875. Now at gray level 5th, what will be the value sum? 0.46875 plus 0.1875, then we will get 0.65675. Okay, now at gray level this, what will be value? 0.25 plus 0.65675, then 0.96625. Okay, next at this gray level, 0.0625 plus 0.96, then we will get 0.96875. Now at gray level, this gray level, 0.968 plus 0.03125, then we will get 1. So in this column we compute the sum in this way.